Hi, this is part 2. I make jean apron. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make jean apron into square top. And I have old apron. I'm gonna show you how to do and this jean apron. I'm gonna put this up. Sorry. Okay. See? Don't worry about it. It's set already. I put patches on it. You don't have to do it. Okay, I'm gonna put this down. If you want to look square, I'm going to fold it, make it even. Do you see on the folding end? I'll show you. See the middle seam? So I'm putting down one in the middle, stretch out, and use a Sharpie. Draw a line. Draw a line all the way down, okay? Then I fold it. I like to paint because it's swiftly back and forth. I like to paint it. So I'm gonna cut a curve. See? If you don't like this really too square, you can make a curve. I'll show you. You fold it back again. I have a template called round the corner template. These are too sharp corners. I like a sharp curve. I'm gonna use this. Do you see that? Then you draw a line. Okay, lined up even. Okay, I'm gonna hold it. See? You see that shape? I make it for a lady or a child or teenager. Then, if you want something fancy, I could use. I have like American flag, so I put food paper on the back. You shine it. You take it out. I fold in half, roll the seam in the middle of the apron. I cover that whole of the jean. I'm going to use iron. I'm sorry to take a lot of time. Okay. Jesus, if you want to have packet, If you want to have pocket, you could add the maybe a you can use the zigzag sister on a blanket sister. You sew straight from the top all the way around to twice. Make sure you're strong enough. You can use pocket for shuffle or pencil or anything in. So, okay, they're going to be part 2. Next video, going to be part 3 later on. Happy quilting.